Well, tomorrow is a huge day. Nothing's going to happen in crypto today because everybody is waiting until tomorrow. We're going to get into that. What does that mean? What is the significance of this event that we're going to talk about that happens tomorrow? That's what we're going to be discussing in this video. By the way, the channel sponsor is Tradix. Links in the description below. They're the channel sponsor for January, so check them out. DeFi trading app coming out. This is the app that I'm going to be using. So links down in the description below, so check them out. Okay, so tomorrow is the big day. Tomorrow, we get the CPI, the Consumer Price Index Inflation Report. You're like, oh my God, don't tune me out because this is a big, huge deal for crypto, okay? This is it. And I think we're going to get good news. I'm hoping that we're going to get, if we get good news, we got a green candle day tomorrow. It might be the beginning of a little nice bull run to start. Am I saying it's the beginning of the all caps, the beginning of the bull run? No, that's not what I'm saying at all. But I'm just simply stating that I think that tomorrow could be a really, really good day for crypto. So here's the landscape, right? Okay. So inflation is what decimated crypto in 2022. And the 7 interest rate hikes that the FOMC, that the Fed did to try to combat inflation in 2022. Okay. And part of that process is these monthly CPI, Consumer Price Index reports, because these are the reports that gauge inflation, going up, going down, things like that. And it's been going down. The number has been, the CPI number has been going down monthly, and that's been good news. So that's number one. Number two, we did get a good jobs report, which the jobs report is one of the other key reports that the Fed and the government and all this looks at is in relationship to what do they then do? What does the Fed do to raise interest rates or not, to combat inflation or not, or whatever it may be. So we did get a good report, and that was about a week ago, I believe. So tomorrow is kind of the final piece of the puzzle for setting up what the Fed FOMC is going to do in February. The FOMC has their meeting in February to raise or not the rate, the base interest rate. They did not meet in January. The FOMC did not have a meeting in January. Okay, so this meeting in February is a big deal, and we're hearing that they may only raise the rate in February 25 basis points, which is low compared to what they've been doing. Okay, so they've been raising them 75 basis points, 50 basis points. And remember, seven. I can't do 7 because I've got my other hands holding the phone. seven. There you go. 7 interest rate hikes in 22. Okay, so if we get a good report, you can expect crypto to take off tomorrow. You can expect the stock market to take off. How long will it last? Probably at least a couple of days, kind of the overriding sentiment. Also, it comes down to what it comes down to is what Chairman Powell says in his speech, in his remarks after they release the data, right? What the number's going to be. But it's Chairman Powell, and what he says, doesn't say, how he says it, all those kind of things is going to be the real key. Is he going to be what they call hawkish or dovish? Dovish equals bullish, hawkish equals bearish in relationship to what the tone, his comments, his answers to the questions, Chairman Powell. So tomorrow is a big, huge day. Stay tuned if you haven't already subscribed, because I'll be covering it for you and I'll keep you updated. I'll see you.